An advanced English quiz with 40 tricky questions and language traps. Think you can get a perfect score? What does not cricket mean? Answer C. Unfair. What does take the biscuit mean? Answer A. Outrageous. Find the best synonym of better. Answer C. Improved. Choose the synonym of articulate. Answer C. Express clearly. Opposite of concur. Answer A. Disagree. What is the opposite of degrade? Answer B. Honor. What is the plural of berry? Answer A. Berries. What is the plural form of businessman? Answer C. Businessmen. Fill in the blank. Answer A. You have to complete the registration before the deadline. Complete the sentence. Answer C. Film reviews were published. Pick the past tense of breakdown. Answer A. Broke down. What is the past form of smile? Answer D. Smiled. Choose the past form of beget. Answer A. Begot. How do you spell this word? Answer C. Relationship. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Muscular. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Breathe. What is the antonym of obscurity? Answer D. Fame. Opposite of lull. Answer A. Agitate. What is the antonym of abstraction? Answer D. Concretization. What word is closest to private? Answer B. Personal. Choose the synonym for may. Answer D. Might. Find the best synonym of drive. Answer A. Operate. What does beyond tenterhooks mean? Answer C. Very anxious. What does cut and dried mean? Answer A. Already decided. What does keep your powder dry mean? Answer B. Stay prepared. What is the past form of stink? Answer C. Stank. Choose the past form of ring. Answer A. Run. How do you form the past of standardize? Answer C. Standardized. Choose the correct past form of C. Answer D. Saw. What is the plural of flash? Answer A. Flashes. Choose the correct plural form of loss. Answer C. Losses. Select the correct plural form of eyebrow. Answer A. Eyebrows. What is the plural of diploma? Answer D. Diplomas. Fill in the blank. Answer C. Provided that she completes her task, she can leave early. Complete the phrase. Answer A. The decision was absolutely critical for the company's future. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. They would have arrived on time if they had set the alarm. Find the correct option. Answer C. Foundation. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Fishing. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Apathetic. Spot the correct spelling. Answer C. Logical. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.